In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GoDaddy account username and password. Whether you're enhancing your account security or just doing a periodic update, these easy steps will guide you through the process smoothly. Let's start by navigating to the GoDaddy website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the address bar www.godaddy.com. This will take you directly to the GoDaddy homepage. Once there, you'll want to sign into your account, so look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. You will then be prompted again to click on a Sign In button to access your account. Enter your login credentials to proceed. After successfully signing in, pay attention to the top right part of your screen where your profile username is displayed. Clicking on your profile username will bring up a drop-down menu. Here you should select Account Settings. Now, once you're in the account settings, navigate to the Security section. This is crucial for managing your account credentials. Upon selecting Security, depending on your account security settings, you may be required to enter a verification code. If prompted, check the corresponding email address or phone number associated with your account for this code and then input it in the field provided. With your code entered, hit Verify Code to proceed. With security verified, you'll find yourself looking for the Login Info section, which will display options for both username and password changes. To update your username, simply click on Edit next to your current username. It's a good idea to choose a username that's unique and memorable yet difficult for others to guess. Once you've updated it, don't forget to click on Save to cement the changes. Next, let's turn our attention to updating your password. In the same section, there's an option labeled Password. Here you should click on Edit. Choose a strong password, ideally made up of a mixture of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure the utmost security. Enter your new password in the designated field, double-check your entry to avoid errors, and then click Save. And that's it. You've successfully updated both your username and password on your GoDaddy account. Regularly updating your password and keeping your account details up to date is a fundamental practice to ensure online security. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.